I'm Mrs. Suchitra Karve from Pune. She's my granddaughter, Sargam Pinakin Karve. We stay at Pune only. It's in Sadashivpet. It's quite safe. My daughter-in-law already uses it, so no problem. She doesn't get any problem also. Everybody from our house easily uses it. We don't have any problem using it. Complete see-through view is there. That is more effective for me, and that's why I chose this. It looks nice because it's in living room itself. It's opened directly to the living room, so we don't have any problem with that. It looks nice. The aesthetic look is the main thing. I'll definitely recommend it.
We took Nibav lift as a first choice since it has only it works on single phase also, so it doesn't necessarily need three phase. So that was one of the main advantages, as well as it has fantastic looks, and it was within very compact size, so that the space we already have within our building, there we could install it.